dropped you off just a little after midnight and sat in my car till you turned off your porch light. I should've kissed you, I should've pushed you up against the wall, I should've kissed you, just like I wasn't scared at all. I turned off the car, ran through the yard, back to